Alright, so we're gonna develop some more icons or the logos using the preset Photoshop tools. Okay, so we're gonna just define the new shape. So just select our pen tool, okay, and make a new arc like this. Just hold on your Alt key and cut this anchor. Now just join this anchor and don't just release the key. Just hold it and make an arc like this. Perfect. And now make a shape. Okay, so basically this is my shape and just decrease it like this. Alright, now you have to just rasterize this one and the Control J, Control T, and just change its angle to the 60 degree. Alright, this is my first one. Now again Control J, Control T, again 60 degree. Okay, so now we have 2 and we need 3 also. Just Control J, Control T, again 60 degree. Just paste it to the here. Okay, now again Control J, Control T, 60 degree. Yep, and this is the 1 2 3 4 5 and yep, 1 is remaining. So alright, all done. So just like this, and select all 6 layers. Just Control E, Control T to just change its size. So just like this, I've created a new shape, and if you want to change its color, then just double click, come to the layer style, or you can go to there, just right click, blending options. Okay, and now color overlay, and you can change the color like this. Okay, so one is orange, so just copy another one here. Okay, now change its color to the blue, again just this one. Okay, so you can do these things like this, and you can do create a multiple copies of these icons. And if you want to fill this inside, then just select your color tool, that is my paint bucket, select the color and just drop. Okay, drop it here. Okay, which one is this one? This is this one, and actually this is not joined from the edges, you see. Okay, so what you gonna do, you have to just the blending option. If you want to fill color, okay, then you can do just the stroke, and stroke is the center, see, and just release its size like this. And you can do just the outside also, the inside you want. Okay, so just like this you can make the different strokes and colors, just like these styles. You can change its styles too. So this is the actually, okay, just the none, and you can just the make it a 3D like this. Just use bevel and emboss. Okay, and you can just do your shadow and make it give it a 3D effect like this. Okay, so just increase its size a little bit and just soften. Or if you want to drop shadow, then you can drop it, see. So this is the second part, that we will make a different shape using our pen tool.